Hey everybody, welcome to another sports card break with Matt. Today we have another fat pack, guys. There is 40 cards in this pack. We picked this up at our local Barnes & Noble. It says you can look for the relics and autographs right there and may contain redemption cards, guys. I like getting the redemption cards. If you can't tell already, I like when I get those home run challenge cards, especially because I like having that chance. It's the thrill of trying to score a card that a lot of other people won't have. You know what I mean? Like, I've already won twice, and I would love to get another home run card. So those right there, guys, are the odds of these fat packs right here. So if you guys want to pause that, you can zoom in or read all that right there. And there's your no purchase necessary right there, guys. So here we go. I'm going to open up this fat pack, see if we can score any hot rookies, any relics. It'd be cool to get an autograph though, guys, because for me, a lot of you guys on the internet that I watch and stuff too, like, man, you guys pull like an autograph like every other pack, right? So I have like the worst luck with autographs. So one day we're going to get a cool autograph. There's a little security tab. Throw that to the side. Start us off there. We got a Jerkerson Profar, Will Smith, Oscar Mercado, Brandon Nimmo. We got a Nate Pearson rookie card, guys. There you go. There's his first rookie of the pack. We got Vlad Guerrero Jr., Jesus Aguilar. We got Nolan Arenado. Let's go. We got Paul Goldschmidt. We got an Atlanta Braves team card. It's pretty cool. Twins team card. Rockies team card. Got Austin Meadows. We have Andrew Benintendi. Wow, this is like the sideways pack. Got John Gray. Chadwick Trump rookie card. We got elbows only right there. It's pretty cool with Upton and Trout. Got Kevin Gausman. Max Scherzer. Here we go. Here's our middle little hits, they call it. We got Keston Hiura throwback. We got Pete Alonso. Casey Mize rookie card insert, guys. That's pretty cool. Stick that to the best of the pack stuff. We got David Bodie. John Lester. Starlin Marte. We got the Play for Bout card. Brandon Workman. Bobby Dalbac's rookie card. It's really nice shape, guys. Definitely going to sleeve up all our rookies and top load them. We got Justin Dunn. Got Monte Harrison rookie card. Got Joey Bart rookie card. Dylan Carson rookie card. Here we go. We got another rookie. Brandon Balak rookie card. That's nice. So a lot of rookies. Michael Lorenzen. Ahmed Rosario, Hector Neris, Harrison Bader. We got Destrange Gordon, Gleyber Torres, and the last card is going to be of Josh Donaldson, guys. Alright, so quick little recap. Got a bunch of rookies. Like, they never seem to fail me on a whole bunch of rookie there. So if you're looking for rookies and stuff, that's a good set to get from is in fat packs. We got Brandon Balak, Dylan Carlson, Joey Bart, Monte Harrison, Bobby Dalbec, Casey Mize. We got the Chadwick Trump and Nate Pearson right there, guys. Alright, so that is going to do it. No big hits, but I love getting rookie cards over those hits any day, guys. Big stack right there. Hope you liked the video. Be sure to tell me down below by hitting that like button, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week. Peace.